box. Today we have an unboxing, and today we're going to be unboxing the Punch Punch. This is also from the duty free in Israel, and as you can see in the duty free and in a lot of countries, they put these big stickers saying how dangerous smoking is. And this box cost me $479, and it's from 2022. And this is a dress box of 25 cigars. If we open it up, there you go. Now this vitola is called Corona Gorda. It's 46 ring gauge, and this is a round. Hold on, let's take one out. This is about 5 and a bit inches. Now these cigars are medium body and are a very enjoyable cigar. I find that Punch is a very underrated brand that a lot of people miss out on. It's a brand which is very rich in history, and they don't have that many cigars that are in production at the moment. They have the Punch Punch, they have the Shorter Punch, they have the Punch 48, which is absolutely fantastic. They used to have the Punch Double Corona, which is a very, very large cigar. They don't make those anymore, and the vintage ones go for quite expensive if you can get them. But nonetheless, these cigars I think are something which a lot of people miss out on, and a lot of people don't appreciate Punch the brand as a brand. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.